Hi everybody, just wanted to take a quick second to thank you all so much for the support. The kitchen really is my happy place, and to see all of you guys trying the recipes and sharing it with me brings me so much joy. This week on Taylor's Table is a recipe that you will definitely want to try, and it's perfect for family dinners. Today we are making a bacon garlicky lemon pasta. I threw all of my favorite things together, so I hope this is gonna be a good one. So here's what you need. Some pasta. I prefer spaghetti for this recipe, and we've been really liking this chickpea pasta, lots of protein and high in fiber. And then some Brussels sprouts. This is about 8 to 10 that I just shaved. And then bacon, 4 slices of bacon. I just diced this up into little cubes. Next, breadcrumbs. So if you're gonna make this recipe, just go for it and try homemade breadcrumbs. If you have bread that's about to go stale, put it in the food processor and you'll have homemade breadcrumbs. If you wanna buy it from the store, use panko. Some lemon zest, and then the juice from that lemon. About 5 to 6 cloves of minced garlic, red chili flakes, butter, and a light white wine. So we'll get started with the Brussels sprouts. I'm just gonna pour a little olive oil down in my pan. Pour my Brussels sprouts in. I'm gonna season with just a little bit of seasoned salt and black pepper. And then I'll let these cook down and we will get started on our bacon. Everything else will just be working out of this pan, except our pasta, of course. So I'll start with the bacon. All right, our bacon is nice and crispy, just the way I like it. So I just lined a bowl with a paper towel, and I'm gonna use a spoon. We want to save the bacon grease. That's the most important part. Okay, so I'm gonna let my bacon just dry out here. I'll set it aside, come back to it later. Next, my breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna add in that lemon zest. This mixture is going into our bacon grease. Stand back because this will start exploding. They're the perfect golden brown that I'm looking for. So I'm gonna transfer them back into the bowl, and then we'll add in the next ingredients. Now that we've cleaned our pan, I'm just gonna put in a little bit more olive oil, and then we'll cook our garlic cloves and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. While that cooks and smells so good, come over here and check out my Brussels sprouts. They're all the way done. I prefer mine a little bit crispy, so I look for a little brown. While the garlic cooks up really quick, it's time to add in the pasta. So just a pot of boiling water with a big handful of salt. Now it is time to add our wine. So just 1/3 of a cup of white wine. Most important, save that pasta water. I like to save about 3/4 of a cup. After we added our wine, we will juice a full lemon in here. So the sauce has totally thickened up. I'm gonna drop in 3 tablespoons of butter. And then I need to go drain my pasta. My sauce is coming together perfectly. I'm just gonna season it with a little bit of salt. Actually, that was pepper. I meant pepper. Now, a little bit of salt. And then we'll add everything in and assemble it all together. All right, it's time to put everything together. So I'm gonna put my pasta noodles. Next, add in the pasta water to bring it all together. This looks absolutely amazing. It smells even better. Let me go put this on a plate. Okay, wow, I just put this on a plate and it smells absolutely incredible. I can't wait to eat it. I'm sure that was a lot of ingredients in one thing, but please give this one a try. Here is your bacon, lemony, garlicky, breadcrumb, Brussels sprouts pasta. Don't worry everybody, my taste tester is back.
It's official, I'm back
He's
in
on
the game.
a little break. Ready to try this? I've never made it for you.
I know, that's true. But these are like all of my favorite things wrapped into one.
Same.
It's really good, super good. You got the little crispy bacon bits. You can taste the Brussels sprouts in there, the garlic, the butter, chickpea
the little
pasta.
breadcrumbs for texture.
Little breadcrumbs. No, it's phenomenal. It's really
All right,
good.
so are we gonna add this into our rotation?
Yeah, we got a lot of rotation, but absolutely.
All right, everybody, we are in quarantine. You all deserve a big bowl of pasta. Go try this recipe out.